All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. Did it again. So number three, boat number 3. And this is a 16-foot Marquis 160. And it's got a nice galvanized 2002 trailer with it. And pretty much new tires, everything. So I mean, this thing is pretty nice. The guy that I got it from, he said it was his son's, and he heard some noise in the stern drive and pretty much parked it, and that was it. So I'm hoping, because this is the same stern drive setup motor that I have on the other boats there, that it might just be the impeller or something like that, but rebuilding these stern drives isn't too bad. So let's go ahead and hop up in here and take a look. So I did get it last night, and I had to take out those plugs just because it got down to about 28 degrees, and this being a good motor, I didn't want anything to you know, happen to it. So I also went ahead and threw the trickle charger on there, and you know, it needs some work. Like, you don't want to be sitting on these seats like that. That might hurt. I don't know, maybe someone might like that. Not me. But got some vinyl that needs to be fixed. But overall, this is a pretty cool little boat. It's even got a hummingbird fish finder. That's pretty neat. So let's go ahead and pull this off and take a look at the engine here. All right. All right, so another thing I did notice about this, he put a brand new starter in. And if you know from watching my other videos, it's tough to get a starter, and they're also expensive. So that's pretty cool. Brand new starter in this thing. Same engine. It's the 140. This is 3.0 liter. And still the old point rotor caps condenser. It's not upgraded like I did to my other one there. So looks like did a oil change on it at some point. Belts look pretty decent. There's carburetor. Yeah, this is the same setup. Now I can tell right now, look at this. See that? I guarantee that the tilt does not work. And that's just from these go out. Those anodes on there, if you leave the boat in the water and you don't have them on or not working right, it'll just, that's the first thing that starts to get eaten up. And you won't be able to tilt this up. So, oh yeah, see, look at it, and go down, but look at it, won't go up. So you got to use the trailer, which that is pretty cool if that works. I'm liking this boat already. If it's just gonna be a simple stern drive fix, then that's gonna be awesome. So wow, it's got some power to it. Goes quick. Let's go ahead and, yeah, let's put the key on.
So I don't think we're gonna know our RPMs
Fell right off. You got your oil, your volts, your speed. He did say that the fuel gauge wasn't working, so. Oh, this actually has a trim on it too, and temperature gauge. So. I just wanna give it a try, see if it'll turn over here. I got the key on. Oh, I'm not gonna mess with it too much because this will be something for the spring, but at least I'm getting it to turn over there, so I know it's not seized up or anything. And we did pull the plugs so there wouldn't be water in there freezing up. I do want to dump some of the fuel saver stuff in there, the additive, and we'll go ahead and we'll disconnect this battery because that seems like a good battery. And we'll keep that on the trickle charger and we'll go from there. So yeah, same motor, and actually this is a smaller boat than the other one, and that thing rips, so this thing's got to go wicked fast. So just minor things. We'll go ahead and go through this and get it all fixed up and get it out on the water. We'll check the stern drive and see if there's any aluminum flakes in the oil and stuff, and that'll be a telltale sign that, you know, it's messed up in there. If not, might just be the impeller. Simple fix. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll tape all of our negative wires together because I got this on here. Not sure what that runs to yet. Might be speakers or something, but I don't want to get them mixed up. And we'll take this off. Definitely gonna need some polishing up, breaking off the rust off all this stuff. That could be a reason why it's not starting, or it could be the carburetor. Maybe the you know, maybe it's sticking, or you know, it's something. We're gonna have to go through this. Could be the points could be a little bit corroded, but that's the fun of doing this. Troubleshooting and figuring it out. So all right, so we got these three. We'll tape them all together so we know that these all go to the negative. These are our positives. Now, all right. So now we can pull the battery and throw that on the trickle charger, which is great because then we don't have to buy. Then we don't have to buy a new battery. Spend $100+ Definitely gonna need to do some cleaning, get all these leaves and all this other junk out. But like I said, I'm not worried about doing that right now. We can do that in the springtime. Let's go ahead and throw the cover back on here. Oh, I just noticed it says a fuel pump up. So you can pump your fuel up. And maybe that's all what it took to get this thing started. Maybe just pumping that fuel ball. But all right, that's for another time. So got that on there. Throw this other seat on here. All right. Starting to look like a boat. Obviously got to fix some stuff, but yeah. All right. Our plugs, we'll go ahead and put them in here. And look at, we got keys. We actually have keys for everything. So that is nice. Go ahead and put them in there. All right, got some SPF 50 for the kids. Perfect. And looks like we got our radio in here. It's got Bluetooth. All right. Unlike our other one that we were lucky it had FM. So this boat, this is a, I want to say, let me check. Okay, so this boat is a 1985 Four Winds. So, and it's the Marquis 160. So, here's this seat over here. Definitely have to remount that guy at some point. Glue up some carpet here. Someone gonna have a sock. Yeah, we'll vacuum, clean all this up. We can get all this back down. It'll look nice again. Water bottle. All right, what we got in here? More carpeting and oh, looks like that needs to be reattached. That's all got to be cleaned up. Be mounted back on there. Yeah, redo these seats. It'll be nice. Have a rat or mouse jump out at me. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice. Yeah, some new vinyl on these. Vacuum this thing out. It's gonna be pretty nice. Still don't know what the heck these things are. Maybe they're just cup holders that they screwed down into here. They made, you know, it's kind of what they look like. Oh, airhead. Oh, airhead attachment. There's that other sock. All right, so we got a pair. Throw that in there. Actually, you know what? Let's move this battery. Let's see what's under here. If we can. Does this not lift up? I don't know. I don't know if that's screwed in there or what the deal is. Alright. Well, that'll have to stay a mystery until the springtime. But cool. Another ratchet strap. They always come in handy. Got some tow rope. A frozen tow rope. You can actually throw these up in here. Like that is something. And yeah, we could actually keep that closed. Protect it a little bit more. All right, so that's just a quick overview of the boat, the inside here at least, in the engine. All right, so let's go ahead and throw some stable fuel and treatment in here. Normally you want to do this when it's running, so it goes through the engine, so the gas lines and stuff, but obviously it's going to take a little more to get this thing going, and it's cold out. It's almost December, and this will be a spring thing. So we'll go ahead and dump, let's see, 1 ounce treats 10 gallons. I don't know how much is in here. Normally they hold around 10 gallons, so we'll do the 1 ounce. All right, 1 ounce. So it's better than nothing, even though it should be mixed up in there. So and this actually should have a rubber O-ring on here, which, oh, it does. It's completely dry rotted and cracked. So we'll have to throw a new one on there. Keep water and stuff from getting in our fuel here, because that is never good. All right, looks like I had some new sensors put on. Yeah, this is the boat. Marquis 160. Nice galvanized trailer. Just gotta fix one of the lights, looks like. Yeah, just that one light over there. Everything else works on it. Got some scratches and stuff here, but we could work with that. Some painting and some buffing. But nice little boat. Throw some new ones of these on. The vents. This is what pulls the gas fumes from the engine bay compartment and blows them out each side. That way you don't have a fire when you go to start it.
Hey Daddy, I like the yellow.
Yeah? What? It folds up and it comes down like that. All right, so you like the new boat, Major? You were eating a freeze pop. It is what? It's like 29 now. No, it's a little warmer than that. It's at least above freezing right now. Last night it dipped down to 28, and that's why I had to pull the plugs for the engine in this. But all right, so this will be a fun little project as well, with the other fun little projects, and a goat. So all right, next video you'll probably see that boat out there that's attached to the red truck, and lots of boat videos coming up for springtime. So all right guys, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, Mage. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.